Well, I'm going to take off the UMX Turbo Timber Evolution. Had a little problem connecting out here in the field with the battery. I had to go back to the car to get no wind. It just was a little too windy. I'm going to take off with a half flaps. Let's do full flaps, see how that does in this. It's about a 10 to 12 mile an hour wind out of the west. So we'll see how we do. This is on a
0.4 volts.
This is a 3.8. Wow, it is low. Batteries definitely don't like cold weather. It's about mid to low 20s right now.
Low battery, 3.3 volts.
Oh, got a short flight. Go get warmed up. Try to keep the throttle a little bit lower. That's zero throttle right there. Full up elevator. And we'll add throttle to bring it around. Settling in nicely with that wind. Keeps holding it up. Let's see if I can do a low pass here. Backing up with it as it drifts to its right and our right as well. There it is.
Low battery, 3.4 volts.
And it's recovering. It's a 3.6, so it is low. This was a fully charged battery, but I suspect cold just impacts it. There we go, we got nice wind.
5 minutes.
Got 2 minutes of flight. And we have another manned aircraft in our vicinity there. Nowhere near us, but just to be aware. I'm going to bring the plane a little closer to me here. Bouncing around in this, well, maybe 8 miles an hour right now. It's definitely a windy day. Oh, here comes another gust. You can see that with the kiting.
Safety off. 4 minutes. Low battery, 3.4 volts.
Yeah, we were able to do a roll on that one. Couldn't do it with the other battery earlier.
Low battery, 3.3 volts. Low battery, 3.4 volts.
That was fun. Loop with a roll at the top, and then finish the loop out.
Safety on.
Okay, how are we doing? 3.6 on the voltage according to the telemetry coming back. Might be a hair lower. I mean, the voltage reported might be a little bit lower, I've noticed. We got 4 minutes of flight. That's pretty good. Still sitting around 3.7 after the recovery. You don't go in full throttle in this cold weather, you do get some recovery on the voltage, which is always helpful for a longer flight. Without the voltage, you have to come down. Flying backwards. There's a big gust coming there. Good view of the UMX Turbo Timber Evolution. Kind of just sitting in front of me. And we're going to go downwind.
Low battery, 3.4 volts.
And bring it back in. This time I'm going to do a low pass in front of me. It'll obviously be pretty slow, just because it's windy. You take off that throttle and
3.4 volts.
doing well, so
1 minute.
I'm going to go for the minute. I'm going to see what we can do to bring it around. You know what? I'm going to bring it in from my left, downwind, maybe with a low pass, and see how that flies. Over the soccer goal, don't want to get too close. Well, that would have been pretty close to me, so I'm glad I didn't get any closer, because it was drifting and the wind was pretty much coming straight at me, so I couldn't quite get to the right angle. Alright, we'll get it set up to bring in.
7, 6, 5.
Hopefully. Getting knocked around by the wind here.
1.
There it is. The UMX Turbo Timber Evolution. Basically coming down and sitting. Great little planes, fun even in the wind. I appreciate being able to fly it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you can see further videos as they're released. Thank you so much. Enjoy your afternoon.